Turner syndrome. Introduction. Is Turner syndrome inherited, meaning passed on from parent to child? Select yes or no. Correct. Turner syndrome is a genetic problem that is caused by a random error, but it is generally not inherited. This means that it is not passed on from parent to child. Delayed growth and sexual development is common in girls with Turner syndrome. Select true or false. Correct. Some other common symptoms of Turner syndrome are infertility, shorter height, and learning disabilities. Turner syndrome most often happens when a female has one normal X chromosome, but the other X chromosome is missing. Select true or false. Correct. Other forms of Turner syndrome may happen when a part of one of the two chromosomes is missing or changed in some way. In which part of the body can Turner syndrome cause complications? Choose one of the following options. 1. The ear. 2. The heart. 3. The kidneys. 4. All of the above. Correct. Turner syndrome can cause complications that affect many different parts of the body. Can Turner syndrome be cured? Select yes or no. Correct. There is no cure for Turner syndrome, but treatments can help control and lessen symptoms. Thank you for using Explain.